This case invading the left side of the pelvic wall and also bladder and also left ureter. You can see here the common iliac vein is here and also ureter is here. We are identifying the ureter, then clipped. Next step is mobilization of the bladder, as you can see here. Then partial bladder resection is enough to obtain the R0 resection. Then we are started to repairing the bladder with the running suture. The final step is to do the ureteroneocystostomy using the double G catheter. We can do it laparoscopically.